Hello friends, welcome to Kalpvraksha Creativity. I am taking A4 sheet. Now I am drawing the drawing of rose bunch. So I have started with my first row. There are 3 rows in this. Now I am making petals. My first rose is fully open. And now I am drawing my second rose. It should be not a circle and an oval. It should shape like a little bit curved triangle. So see friends, this flower is not fully open. And the third one is not open only. It's so easy friends, you can try at the home. And now I am making the leaves. I am not making leaves, but I am making bunch of leaves. You can see friends. All over we have to make like that only. See friends, all over I have done my leaves. In the between we have to make a standing line. I am taking light pink and I have taken the pencil color light green, dark green, red, light brown, light pink, dark pink and the yellow. I am taking light pink and in the petals I am giving strokes. Both the shades should be seen. The page color, that's white, and the white shade. All over the petals we have to do like that only. See friends. In the between should be light and the outer part should be dark. So in the outer we have to give strokes, but not in inside. So the white page should be seen. I have started with my second flower. And then the third flower also we have to do like that. So remember, the white page should be seen. Now I am taking dark pink. And in the rose with the dark pink color, I am giving strokes, but all 3 shades should be seen. The white shade should be seen, light pink and the dark pink. I'm not color white, but it's a white page color. All over the petals we have to do like that. I started with my second rose, and inside also, means in between also we have to do like that only. My 2 flowers are done and my 1 flower is left that I am doing now. Remember, we have to give strokes with that. Now we have to not do this coloring. Now I am taking light green color. In the between line, I am doing inside out. You can see friends. First it is the petal and the second one is inside. It's an inside line. So do you understand friends? Friends, if you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. See, all the leaves have done that. And in the third rose leaves also I have done that only. Now with the green, I am making borders where I have done light green. So there are three lines in the leaves. So on the second 2 lines I have done and not the third line. So now I am making middle line of it. All the leaves are done. Now I am doing with the light brown. I am just joining the line. Now I am doing stems and I am just joining the leaves with the light brown color. In the between of the third rose, we have to do light brown color. See friends, I have done. Now I am taking red color and I am doing dots in my first row and with the yellow also to show that there are birds in this. Now I am doing red color and I am making borders. And inside I have done little bit darker. See friends, you can see that we have to border the rose with the red color. So friends, you can see my first rose is done and my second rose is also done. So quick now friends. So you should also do your work quickly. There are some special feature in the rose. They are called kate. So in the leaves, I am just putting dot and inside I am making kate, means I am just making lines. Kate is a Hindi word. This is a specialty in the rose. In all the leaves, we have to do like this, friends. You can see friends. Now with the dark green color I am bordering it. My rose is done. Bye friends.